Let me tell you, you know,
sleep?
them a Senegal, you don't want to go sleep, take up a Bible and read the Bible.
Oh, man, you're gone,
Listen,
man.
It's not funny, but it's funny.
True.
Yeah.
But the moment you decide say you want to start prayer,
I
or you
say
want to
read
take
the
up a
Bible
Bible,
in
go
bed.
read, are the fastest.
You drop asleep.
You drop
Drop
asleep.
asleep,
You
yeah.
you did a prayer and then all of a sudden you catch yourself and you say, I when me drop asleep. Or you pray and you
Yeah.
realize you start chat foolishness. Like you say,
man.
Father God, you know.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
sorry.
I pray
But
for like a
rest.
protection for the rice and peas and chicken and mega cook tomorrow. And you say, wait.
Yo. We're glad to have you guys in this great space. We are your hosts.
Mandy.
Candace.
I'm Brandon. Thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, getting the videos out there on a daily basis. We appreciate the love and support from the bottom of our hearts. And the verse of the day is.
The verse? Sorry, I'm never know say it did have theme song. The verse of the day is John 14, verse 27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid.
If Jah
Is
standing by your side,
tell me why should I be afraid of the pestilence that draweth by night?
Hiddy bum bum bang.
All right. Okay.
Hiddy bum bum. So
We had 2 earthquakes
Oh yes.
on Sunday, no?
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Oh, that second one was real.
I think me, Valon and Tevin, me, Valon and me, Steve.
It just this is how it felt.
Yes.
it's
So
over.
it felt.
It's over.
So true.
Yeah.
I,
It was when
and like Steven looked on me. I was like,
That's always the Jamaican. That's always.
You
You feel that?
that?
You feel that?
You feel it?
You feel it?
While the earthquake are going, them a text, you know.
Yeah.
But when they
of
check the
course.
time when they post and the time
No, but the earthquakes they were 1 hour exactly 1 hour apart. 10:51 and 11:51.
Oh.
But it's not even we were having the earthquakes. It was Cuba and
Mm.
other outlying islands felt the
Yeah.
impact. So imagine if the second earthquake we got was 6.5. What was Cuba experiencing?
Wow.
Oh. Jeez.
Wow.
So now Cuba shake up.
Yeah, man.
So now
It
Cuba
was
shake
it was
up.
a real it was such an interesting experience because I was sitting down. I didn't see the place moving, but I'm feeling something.
This them call a seismologist. They
Mhm.
said when you're swaying, that indicates that the building that you're in is sturdy.
Oh, so sure, sturdy. Nice.
Yeah, so Jamaicans will, whenever earthquakes are happening,
Yeah, you go like this.
when you go, you feel the building go like this.
Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
an indication that you have a strongly built
Structure.
building or
If you
a
feel the
structure.
building a move, but you
If
don't
the-
see it a
if
move.
the building is doing this,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh. So I guess when it's side means like it's handling,
Yeah.
Yeah.
handling the movement.
so firm foundation. Christ is my firm foundation.
I went to Jesus.
So-
The rock on which I stand.
Anyway, so yeah. So one of the things we're pretty grateful for, Jamaica.
Yeah.
As something to be actually super grateful for because
Yep.
Jamaican workmen, construction men, man, I thought the new one them.
The old
The
one.
old
them.
one them where
Yeah.
really know what it means. You
For
steel
lay
and you
foundation.
The rebar.
you cement, you block your
You
old
put the
works. Yeah,
foundation.
man.
Yeah.
Foundation well strong. I can't just have everything for be asbestos and drywall these days. The building must
Asbestos and
the
drywall.
building must collapse and you go get sick in at the end.
Yeah.
You know?
But yeah, man. Very, very, very interesting time.
And we
Very
have in the
interesting
middle of
time.
one, what them call it, a trough or a
Oh,
storm.
We just like
Storm last week,
left, right, and
earthquake
center.
on the weekend,
Yeah.
trough over the
Yeah.
island.
Someone else gotta come, you know.
A bay wash way. Last week did I wash
The road
way?
them, brother, there's no good road left in Jamaica now, you know.
The
There's
drain
no,
them
you,
can't
have,
manage.
you just have pothole and road.
Yeah.
You don't have road with pothole no more.
Yeah,
You have
and
pothole
pothole
with
and
road.
road.
And then when you drive sometime and rain and you look on the road and you say, well, on, why right this side is a different color? You know, set up at all ready to take away
Listen,
Karen.
the
You know,
drains can't
the
manage.
Man, the road, the patrol up a super center.
Brother,
Oh.
that's
The
the
cheese
circle
factory.
of life. The circle of life. I literally made that tweet about 2 days ago or probably a day ago on Twitter
Yeah.
warning people. The circle of life is located right in front of Dairy Industries
Cheese factory.
or the
Yeah.
cheese factory on Washington Boulevard.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I'm dropping
Please
it and
be
come out
aware.
take care.
Yeah, man.
Your
You don't want
ve-
dropping at that.
Your vehicle cannot manage dropping in that. Please
No, no.
Brother, that shake up,
swerve.
that shake up everything in there, brother.
Swerve.
Yeah, man.
That shake up everything in
You're
there,
there.
brother.
You're
That's-
dropping at that.
that's not a patrol, you know. That is
Yeah.
Alice in Wonderland. That is the
Yeah, man.
whole Alice
That's
fell
the
down.
under,
Brother, you don't
brother.
want dropping at that, brother.
You're dropping at that and you come out back up a Florida.
Yeah, boom.
Oh my days.
Boom.
Yeah, man.
And then everywhere just a flood. Must say many water like Elsha
Yeah,
on
man.
the road.
It was
Hope
terrible.
Road.
Yeah,
half
man.
a tree.
Half a tree
town.
square right there, son.
Not listen.
Oh my gosh.
Not to mention.
Four pastures.
Mona
Listen,
side.
them call it Hope River for a reason, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, can you some, man,
Run
can you
the-
some last secure up there?
The gully right by Tinson Pen. NEPA. Is NEPA or NSWMA? I think it's
One of them.
NSWMA.
no
National
NAA.
Works? Oh,
National Works Agency. Posted a picture of the garbage pile up
Oh my
Wait,
days.
at the
wait,
Tinson Pen gully
You mean a
at
Chesterfield?
Marcus Garvey Drive right there. So
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen so many plastic buckles and garbage in my life.
Man.
Scandal bags weren't our issue, you know.
No,
It was the
buckle them.
plastic buckle them. And all of that will come down at Tinsipen Gully is coming from town. Cause you know, so
Yeah.
nobody not dispose garbage properly downtown.
Yeah.
You just
Yeah.
fling it one side on the street. And just
Yeah.
hope say rat and rush and come in your store.
Yeah.
I don't know how them live down there with that. But if you're driving through the streets downtown, especially Orange Street
Princess
or
Street.
Princess Street,
Yeah.
there's garbage at just
Yeah.
random places on the sidewalk or right beside the sidewalk. I don't understand it because you're selling right there. It's very unsanitary. Don't understand how it work. And all of this garbage, the roads are a bit of have like a slope like
Yeah.
formation. So when the
Yeah.
rain fall, the water runs down
Yeah.
all the way to the harbor. It go on West Street where Digicel is and rush and pass Ocean Boulevard and just go straight to the harbor.
Yeah.
I don't know how them.
Because even the road, so you know when you come out from Marcus Garvey and instead of going Hagley Park, you go
Yeah. 3 Mile,
not 3 Mile, the other one. You have another road.
Spanish Town,
No man, you have another road. with a
Olympic.
left. No, alright.
Easy
So
now?
Sorry,
not Olympic money. You're not reach up to say it. So right before
the
as you,
Sea View turn off.
yeah, you see right there so you see that
Yo.
good right there so you know what?
Hold on now. You see when you,
You
go
know, go on
round
the right
when you
there,
go round further and you reach right at the back road for Sea View,
Yeah, yeah.
there is debris,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
garbage,
Yup.
stone,
And right there's lower than
wood.
right there's lower than I think the gully, you know. Cause there's a part that's a lower.
Yeah.
So when rain or fall, they don't want to be caught dead over there. They
Brother.
don't want to be caught dead over there.
And
Yeah.
guys, for the love of God, do not attempt to drive your
Don't try and
vehicle
cross it.
or
Don't try and
ride
cross
your
it.
bicycle or walk.
No, 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 no.
We too often we are
Think we're
losing
invincible.
people to things that can be prevented when we're having storms or heavy rains or hurricanes. Guys, it don't make sense to drive anywhere. It don't make sense to
No.
leave your house. Wherever you are, if you're stuck, just stay put.
Yeah.
Do not attempt to drive through running water.
And you know what? What I found so strange is that the rain came at a set time. So it would rain from 10 a.m. straight to 2 o'clock. After that point, it's sunshine outside.
and blue
As if
skies.
it never
did a
rained.
storm.
Yeah.
That's
It
true.
rained straight from 10 o'clock. The sky make up in the morning. Rained straight from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And as 2:59 done, I reached 3, bright sunshine.
Yeah.
Bright sunshine.
Yeah.
Or you could have the one place and it dry like chips.
Yeah.
And by the time you touch the next part, you say,
Yeah, man.
oh, then it's so wet. Where water come from?
Yep.
Yeah, man. We've been receiving some serious rain. But we know we are in the last month of the hurricane season.
Yeah.
So, guys, just please be on the alert. Don't try to swim. Don't try to
No.
do anything. I know
Yeah.
as Jamaicans, it's always, we don't put fun and joke aside. We always keep it in front of us. Let us not, please. Let us
Yeah.
please.
Yeah.
Prevention is better than cure.
And protect your
I
immune
think, I think they have to
systems,
say
people.
that don't swim in like stagnant water. 'Cause
Yeah,
they
you
say
shouldn't.
It could have leptospirosis in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you
Ringworm.
Mm-hmm.
Stop, man.
Eat up your interpals.
Please,
It's been
guys.
raining on and off. Don't go outside. Go wet up your head.
Mm-hmm.
Please to drink, take up your vitamin C and all of these things.
Mm-hmm.
For people who know that they have issue when the temperature change and sinus start act up. Exactly. All of those.
And
Yeah. Please take care of yourselves out there, guys.
yeah, man. Safe to say it's been a very
Hey.
eventful week with the weather.
Hectic.
But it's also been just overall. The last few weeks have been super
It's been a lot.
hectic for us, guys. We
It's
are
been a lot.
we drain like sinus. We drain like sinus. We are tired.
Very much so.
We're tired.
Very much so.
We're tired.
Mm-hmm.
Very tired.
I'm alright.
No,
Brandon
no,
is
no, no,
tired
no.
as
He'll
well,
tell
yeah?
you that he's all right, but you'll catch him yawning every episode, though.
Listen,
You'll catch him yawning every episode, though. Say it's not. Say it ain't so. Please, please.
I'm
Say it
I'm
ain't
not tired when
so.
we're filming. It's just I just yawn. I
It's
don't know.
it's okay. So the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak, is what you're telling me.
Yeah.
So you are here, but the body is ready to go home.
Listen,
All
man,
right,
you have to-
understood.
listen, you have to put in the work, you know. You have to put
But yeah,
in the work.
man, we do. We put in the work.
Put in the
We
work for the
come and we
podcast. So
give you
rain,
an episode
sunshine.
every week. But guys,
We film constantly.
yeah,
And
we're here practicing all the time.
we're practicing. We are here.
We have
We're
the
here.
kids.
We're at church very often.
Yeah,
Outside of that, we have other obligations.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's
It's a lot.
it can be a bit,
It can burn you out.
yeah.
We're not complaining soon.
We're not.
We're not, but we're acknowledging that
We have
we're
It's a lot.
tired.
Yeah,
We're tired.
it's a lot.
sometimes we need some rest.
Not some. It's
You need
You
rest
need rest.
often.
very as often as you can, without it being to the detriment of your responsibilities. Is what I would say. As often as you can.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if we as human beings if God took a day to rest, I think we as human beings most definitely should take at least a day. Hence, you know, we have the weekend, but
The
sometimes
weekend,
we find things for ourselves to do on the weekend.
There's so many things to do that can sometimes take away from rest.
Yeah.
Like I couldn't tell when last I get a full 8 hours.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
You might
That-
get a 6.
You get
might
a 6.
get a 6.
But the 8 hours just I get further and further
Yeah.
away from arm's reach.
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes you really do underestimate how many things we have to do
Yeah.
or how many things we have to accomplish in a day. And sometimes we don't give ourselves enough space in between tasks.
Yeah.
Because in all
That's
honesty,
true, yeah, that's
we
true.
don't have to complete everything every day. If God never finish creation in a one day, why
No.
we feel like we must get everything done in a one day? You
True.
get me? But sometimes you're so focused on trying to create as much time afterwards for
Yeah.
rest
Yeah.
that you don't realize that you are burning yourself out
Yeah.
in the process. And doing that can lead to stress, and stress can lead to other things,
Yeah.
sometimes even death.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to really ensure that we're taking care of ourselves with the proper rest.
Yeah.
And sometimes, guys, unwinding doesn't necessarily have to be sleep for some persons.
True.
It can just be, taking an hour or two to go read,
To walk.
to go
Yeah.
listen music,
Talk to a friend.
yeah, even if it's just lie down, you not for fully sleep. You just want rest your body, rest your
Yeah.
mind like a bit. Yeah, so different leisurely activities that you have can be a way of unwinding for you if that's your thing.
I think.
Yeah. For some
Oh, you're
people.
Go
Oh.
on, Tang. No, you say I think so. Go on before it gone.
Oh, so sometimes rest is good, but also you don't want to rest too long
Yeah.
because sometimes I remember there was a time when a lot of things was happening. I had to keep my guard. I had to keep my guard up, right, spiritually. And then there was a period where nothing happened. I remember saying to myself, "It's all coming, but I'm supposed to be resting now." So sometimes you would want to rest. I find that with some persons they want to rest, but they want to stay rested. And sometimes you shouldn't.
Yeah.
If you be on guard, same way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not saying to like drop your guard, but I'm saying remember that you have things. You
Yeah.
have things to accomplish. So like
Yeah.
you can take your rest now. And what,
Yes,
however you want to give yourself rest is how you want to give yourself rest.
Yeah.
Cause you know you need it. But so remember your goal at the end of the day. Cause you can't take rest and then you become complacent.
Yeah.
You drop everything. You throw down this.
Yeah.
You put on this. You put on. And you can't do that. Soldiers.
I see. You
Soldiers
start
can't sleep in a war.
Yeah.
just doing the
Yeah.
bare minimum and settling for mediocrity.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wasn't
so-
that like a test for Gideon when he was finding people? He brought them to the water brook, and God said, "Those who lap up the water like dogs, you can't take them. But the ones that bring the water up to them face, and then, like they're still able to watch out for themselves."
Yeah.
So even in that moment of rest, when we're just going to replenish ourselves or refresh ourselves at the proverbial water brook, like Brandon said, you can't
Per
be
what?
caught. Huh?
Per what?
Proverbial.
Oh, okay. Okay.
At the proverbial water brook, and you're
Just-
refreshing yourself, you can't be caught unawares. You still have to be sober and vigilant. You get me? Because your enemy, the
The
devil,
roaring
is
lion.
still exactly seeking whom he may devour.
Yeah. So it's good to have rest, but you have to be aware
Yeah.
of what's
It
going
has
on.
to be done in balance and moderation. Cause you can oversleep,
Yeah.
and when you oversleep, you feel even more
You feel,
tired,
yeah.
Even more tired.
than when you wait
It's like
to sleep.
naps. Naps are supposed to be. Is
They-
what them say. 30 minutes.
They say a real reset power nap is 90 minutes.
90 minutes.
So an hour and a
yeah.
half is a real reset
Because
power
I
nap.
think they said like after that your body thinks it's going into sleep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you are gonna take your nap. Let's say you nap at 3 o'clock, and when you wake up back at 9 p.m.,
Work
you might as well go back. Might as well lock back your eye and go sleep.
Yeah.
Might as well close your eyes and go sleep. But
Yeah.
you're gonna feel even more
More tired.
tired and drained after that.
And sometimes with rest, it kind of gives you the chance to reflect on what you have done.
Yes.
And I know that sometimes we don't take that as rest. Sometimes we're like rest. We're like, yeah, man, I can just put the everything and jump in your bed and just sleep and doze off, and I wake up tomorrow. But see, you should take your time
Yeah.
of rest to
Be
look
mindful. Yeah.
back, to reflect and to like
Reflect,
see what you
yeah.
did wrong, so what you did right.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause
See
I
how
find
much you
that-
got
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
And be proud of your achievements for each day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you made the effort to get something done. You have a whole heap of people who never do nothing, just get up and go back to them bed, right? So be grateful and be thankful.
Get up and go back to your bed.
Go back. Yeah, you have some people get up. Let me tell you something. I remember when CSEC was finished, and I said to my mother, for that first week after exams are done, I don't want nobody call my phone. I don't want to see a book. I don't. I don't. I don't.
Can't right now.
And I remember that first Monday, I woke up. Everybody gone to work. My day home. I literally woke up, walk around the house to see that nobody was there, and walk back upstairs and go back in my bed. But after guys, after like a long hard battle with school or work
Yeah.
or whatever task it is, you do deserve
Some
some
rest.
time to rest.
Yeah.
But don't be extreme with it.
Mm-hmm.
You do deserve your rest, and you deserve a chance to enjoy life,
Yeah.
but don't be wasteful
Yeah.
with your time of leisure.
I think another thing that rest helps you other than just reflecting. It allows you to come up with different solutions.
Yeah.
Because I know this has happened to me time and time again when I was in school. You're battling it out with either a math question, I did physics, or a physics question, and I just, for the life of me, could not figure it out. And then you in your brain think, if I stay up longer, the answer will come.
Yeah.
If I try and work on it, work on it, the
Yeah.
answer will come. Sometimes it's after you have stopped and walked away, done a little mental lap and come back, is when you're just like, but the answer did right this the whole time.
Yeah.
Sometimes we get caught in the trap of thinking that constant work is going to get us the solution, or just constantly working until we run ourselves into the ground is a faster way of getting to the answer, when work with periods of rest is much
More
much
beneficial.
better
Yeah.
for
Constant
you.
work isn't always productive as well.
No, it's not.
Because you think you're there. If you're like a person that reads to study, at some point
Oy.
your brain is going to stop
Yep.
registering or remembering or processing what you're reading, and it's
Yeah.
just going to be you calling words.
Yeah.
And then you're going to go in that exam and try to, like, you can remember, say you see that,
Yeah.
but you can't remember anything because you didn't allow yourself breaks. It's very important to take breaks in between. This is why you have break time at school, lunchtime at school. This is why you have lunchtime at work. This is
Yeah.
why
And lunchtime I work different still. Like that difference still.
it's but still time
Yeah,
time
Yeah.
away from
From the
what
work.
from the work,
Yeah,
right?
After 12 o'clock, you're done. Yeah.
But set breaks in between tasks help you to be more efficient.
Yeah.
Like, you have to take them. You are not a machine.
Nope.
You're not a robot.
Nope.
You are a human, and your body has times when it needs to take a
Decompress.
a little shutdown,
Yeah.
and then do a reboot afterwards.
Because I find that there are times when I'll be practicing and sometimes it just not click. And then I go on the road and I come back, and then while driving, it's like it just come back into my head. I'm like, that's it? Yeah, so sometimes you need to get away.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to get away. Because you can't, as Candace said, you can't be just work to no end.
No.
Like, you have to take a break. You have to take a break. I remember when you saying the win the medal and you saying party out the rest of the year.
Yeah, there was 1 year he didn't do anything at all.
Just
But
part.
one thing with this saying, after his hard work is done, him play. He works hard.
You work
Play
hard,
harder.
you
Play harder.
Yeah, you work
'Cause
hard. Yeah.
you would see after all those achievements, he understood what it means literally to do blood, sweat, and tears to get to where he got back in this is 2008.
It was yeah.
He had an entire, it was like few months, 6 months
Yeah.
off or so to rest, or 3 months, one out of the two, to rest. And he he went out and he lived his best life. Crash a car 2 times,
Yeah.
party
Oh,
too
boy.
hard till him
I
drunk.
think the world thought he was dead at that point.
He was living it up.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it was not for long.
No.
It was just for a period of time, and it was game mode back
Yeah.
again.
But I think sometimes what we miss with rest is that after you rest, you need to have something else to do after you rest.
You need a plan.
A game
Yeah,
plan.
in a plan. So you would say, all right, I'll move from A to B, I rest, no, it's time to go from C to D. So I think you saying how that plan after is like, all right, after
Yeah.
defend this
Yeah.
title.
Defend the title.
So yeah, is when you're resting, you need to know
Yeah.
what your plan is after.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Jesus
Keep
would
you
spend time with
occupied.
people and then he would retire to like with himself and disciples or by himself and pray to the Lord. Sometimes, and then he knew what the mission was. So you need to kind of remind yourself when you're resting
Yeah.
and resting and then come back again and say, all right, we finish, and then you go again.
Yeah.
I think it's to appreciate rest more. So appreciate, because I know there's persons out there who are workaholics.
Listen,
All
You-
them can do are work.
They
all
can't
them-
Some
focus
people
if they're
say
not
them
working.
not
Yeah.
rest till them retire. Your body will take you out. Stop that foolishness.
You're not rest, your body will rest for you.
Your body will take you out. Some people crash. I know for me, if I'm constantly on the move, there will come a day where you don't hear peep from me. You don't hear a word from me. And I bed rot the entire day just to be able to catch up with myself.
Yeah, man.
Your body will take you out.
Yeah,
Stop
man.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, your body will.
Take the time to pause. Panic attacks are no joke. They are no joke. High blood pressure is no joke.
No joke.
Stress can build up in your
Stress
body.
can kill you.
It can.
Please don't go bursting any blood vessels.
Exactly. Because
And
you're here
sometime-
working,
yeah,
a
sometimes
bus
you'll-
gasket.
You'll say you wonder how you feel so tired when you haven't exerted much energy physically. It's because your mind is
Yeah.
tired
It
from
can.
running so fast. You have a dozen things up here, like
Yeah.
102 tabs open,
Yep.
and the
Yeah.
music are play, and you can't find the music one. Like we have to remember at the end of the day that we're
Yeah.
humans. We have 24 hours. There's only so much and no more that we can do.
True.
Yeah. And be okay with the amount that you can get done.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If
have
you
to be,
if you had a 10 item to-do list and you only got 2 things done today, you only had time for 2
Two
things
things.
today. Stop. Get some help.
I mean, that's if you made the
Okay.
time to do the 2 things.
Yeah, if those 2 things are huge,
you don't know the
then fine.
duration
Yeah.
of the 2 things, right?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
life will always throw things at you that you did not account
Curveballs.
for.
True.
And you thought you'd have had the entire day to get those 10 things done.
True.
But you only end up getting 2. If that was what you're able to do and life has thrown a wrench into your plans, then you have gotten those 2 things done, and that is okay. It's okay not to cross
Yeah.
everything off the
Man,
to-do
you
list.
have to rest, man.
Yeah, man.
Have to rest.
Rest it. I beg.
Have to rest.
Yeah.
Have to rest, because even if God can rest, the all powerful, all seeing, all knowing
Yes.
can rest. I don't know why you don't think you can rest. You have to rest, man.
Yeah, man.
You have to rest, man. You have to rest.
It's
You have to
it
rest. Will
does
you?
take a toll.
Your turn.
Hmm?
Your turn. Me on, your turn.
Oh no, I never fold.
You never fall.
I never fold. I don't think I'm yawning on camera. Off camera though,
Oh.
when we're not recording, I am yawning 100%.
Deep Negro
Yeah,
spiritual
man.
side.
Deep. Ugh.
Yeah, man.
Listen, yeah, man. Some days you really feel tired and like I can't.
You can't make
You
it.
can't. You feel like I
No,
can't make it,
make
and you have to
it.
say, "No, Father God, your strength, you know, because I know mine, I know mine, your
Yeah,
strength."
man.
And you just go through. But honestly, nothing is more rewarding than it coming to the end of a day
Oh.
and knowing that the only thing I have to do right now
Sleep.
is go to bed.
Sleep.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
man.
so. That's one of my favorite things about each day.
Mhm.
A time to do everything.
Yes.
And I know that nighttime means going to sleep.
Going to sleep.
And trust me,
Yeah.
I am somebody I am a nocturnal person through and through. But see if me make up my mind, say me I got my bed, oof stappy.
Yeah.
Oof tappy.
I think
So
sometimes
true.
I'm not physically tired. I'm just sometimes mentally tired.
Oh.
I just
Yeah,
have to get
I'm
on.
not physically. I'm just
That-
mentally tired.
That to me sometimes can be more
More,
exhausting.
than
Yeah.
Because
physically
it
tired.
drags down the whole body.
yeah, I'm not physically because I'm not. Cause I can choose to stay up all night
Yeah.
and do whatever I need to do, and I can choose to stay up all day I can do
Yeah.
either one, but it's not.
You
It's not
can
about
do
physical.
it,
It's
but
not just
when
mental. I'm just mentally tired sometimes.
yeah, when you're mentally tired, the brain not process
Yeah,
nothing.
my mind is just it's just
The-
running on 10.
Yeah, man.
I'm like
Listen,
100 tabs
the
open.
wheel is spinning, but the hamster dead. Like nothing is processing.
So many things
Nothing at
going on. So
all.
like having the time to rest is
Yeah,
having the time just unwind
it's
and
absolutely
reflect
necessary.
and reflect.
That's true.
Yeah.
For people that work, take your vacation days.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Use your vacation days. They are not there for decoration.
Mm-mm.
Take your vacation
You
days.
don't get an award at the end of the year for not
Exactly.
taking them.
Take your vacation days. If you
Yeah.
have fly out,
Yeah.
fly out. If you are stay home, stay home. If you are go out of town, go like a
Yeah.
hotel, something. Take your vacation days. Do not
Yeah.
sit down on them and say, "Oh, them are all of them are gonna accumulate."
No, they don't.
And
So what,
then
a full year of no working?
exactly.
You're not a teacher, you know. You're not pregnant.
Exactly. Take your vacation days.
Yeah.
Go enjoy some time with your family. If you are by yourself, lay down in your bed in your house, turn on your
Yeah.
TV, watch
Lock
your
up the curtain,
TV.
them.
Exactly.
Turn off
If
the
you
lights.
if you want to
and
make a
just-
drive out, go beach.
Yeah.
If you want to use your vacation days.
Mm-hmm.
And however you choose to rest is why you choose to rest.
Yeah.
However you choose to rest is why you choose to
Some
rest.
people are extroverted and they get their energy from other people, so them love go out and go party. Well, party
Or if you wanna
responsibly.
go
But them
hiking
go
or
out
them
and
people they way.
they're active.
Yeah.
Others of us, like myself, we just better at lock up window, close door, turn off
Me love
light.
my yard, you know.
Yeah,
I love my yard.
Yeah.
yeah,
Love
man.
my yard.
I
I
would.
like my yard.
Love
You don't
my
like your
yard.
yard.
What do you mean?
You don't like your yard.
Yeah, rub your old Brandon.
Any
mean-
pot
no,
knock,
to be honest-
Brandon
Brandon
wants
did it.
to be
To be honest,
there.
sometimes I come home, like I'll be at home and I don't go in my bed at all. Like, I stay far from my bed. When I come to sleep, the moment I touch that bed,
Oh,
Yeah,
like a
man.
light.
yeah,
remember
I don't go on my
Brandon,
bed.
Brandon used to have a schedule when he was working at Spectrum. At 11 o'clock on the dot, not a second earlier, not a second later. Like lock off and Brandon
You
gone
that-
in bed.
Gone to bed.
11 o'clock on the
And what
dot.
time you wake up?
About 6.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
about 6. That was every day. Yeah.
Regimented, man. 11
Yeah.
o'clock on the dot. Brandon
Had to
gone
get
to
my 7 hours
sleep.
of sleep. Had to get my 7 hours of sleep.
Listen,
Yeah, man.
man.
I think I was going to gym like after work.
Yeah.
Going to gym after work, and then I would come home like 10 o'clock. And like I was like, let's go bed and go sleep.
And funny enough, I would actually recommend exercise for,
Rest.
especially for people who sometimes if you find it hard to fall asleep and you want something to just surely knock you out.
Listen,
Exercise when
Yeah.
your body is ready to go.
it's ready to go.
Oh my
I
days,
take up your Bible.
man.
Them used to tell you. When we used to
Yeah.
little.
Yeah.
When I used to little, them used to tell you,
You want
you
go
know,
sleep?
them a say, "Nigga, you better, you don't want to go sleep. Take up your Bible and read the Bible."
Yeah, man, you're gone,
Listen.
man.
Man.
It's not funny, but it's
It's
funny.
true.
Yeah.
But the moment you decide, say you want to start pray,
Or
or
say
you want to
read
take up
the
your Bible,
in
go
bed,
read,
Yeah.
are the fastest.
you drop asleep.
You drop
Drop
asleep.
asleep,
You are
yeah.
you did there pray and then all of a sudden you catch yourself and you say, "I when me drop asleep." Or you pray and you
Yeah.
realize you start chat foolishness. Like you say,
man.
Father God, you know.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
sorry.
We pray
But
for like a
rest.
protection for the rice and peas and chicken and make a cook tomorrow. And you say, woi. And you catch back yourself real quick.
Yeah, man. If you really do have a sleeping issue or resting issue, you might want to go and see your doctor. For some persons, you might require medication.
Some
I don't.
sleeping pills are dangerous.
Yeah, I would say if it is absolutely necessary and recommended by your healthcare professional.
Melatonin.
Yeah, the
Melatonin.
melatonin gummies and this kind of
Some
tea and
NyQuil.
yeah. But please be
Yeah,
very, very
NyQuil.
careful.
NyQuil is dangerous.
Yes, it is.
I never had NyQuil
Remember when I
before.
was sick one time? It was one Christmas and it was cold because I was overseas. And I don't know how I managed to catch the flu. And because of the stuffiness, it was hard for me to sleep
Mine,
because I
mine,
couldn't
mine.
breathe. Yeah, so because my stuff, it was hard for me to sleep, so I couldn't breathe.
Yeah.
So my mom's like, take a little bit of the NyQuil. I don't even remember taking the NyQuil, bad man. I don't even remember taking the
Just wake up
NyQuil.
the next day.
But as we wake up the next day, I'm feel like, I got a pocket full of socks. I feel better instantly. It's like, I feel like I could have climbed Mount Everest and go knock off Statue of Liberty torch. The one made it feel rejuvenated. I said, no, brother.
Man.
That's
you have some drugs that are like that, man.
yeah, that's real.
Like
I
some
said that's
drugs,
real.
like some drugs medication. Is it hospital drugs medication? And over the counter are two different things. You know?
Oh yes.
I remember I took one. My hand was broken. I remember my mother gave it to me. I remember I woke up like the next day.
Yeah, man.
The next day, I was like, the
Yeah,
next day.
yes, yeah,
Well,
then-
I didn't know I was supposed to sleep.
That's
I
what me
don't
tell you.
know, but I think
That's what me tell you.
Clock,
You
no, bro.
don't know. It's like there's something them put it to sleep
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. But guys, please be careful. Don't play around.
with those.
Don't play around
yeah.
with the sleep medication.
And don't
Take
depend
it.
on them so much.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Take it only if you visited your healthcare professional and they have recommended that these medications be prescribed to
If you,
you.
if you get it from your friend, you're a problem. That
Please don't take nobody prescription.
you're a problem.
No,
You're a
don't.
problem.
Don't
Yeah.
take nobody
Please.
prescription. That's
Because you might not wake up.
dangerous. Yeah.
You don't know what what a person they have.
Exactly. Don't
and
take
you
nobody
don't know
prescription.
the fine
which-
prints.
which you know why some drugs are like milligrams? Some of them are grams, you know.
Eh?
Yes.
Some of them are grams. Some of them are
Is that
mg.
legal?
Some of them are G. There's G.
But yeah. Another tip as well.
Read the prescription properly. Remember one time my sister, the something say, was it 1.5 ml. This was when Luke was a baby. Luke, you're fine now. Nothing's wrong with you, honey. 1.5 ml, the something say, and kill my sister dead at 15.
Oh my god.
Full up the something to the brain. Get him. He was about, I think, 2. And I said the brother sleep, him sleep. And at one point I said, no man, I'm not wake up yet because he was usually an early riser.
Yeah.
But then when him wake up, I said the man come like him have the energy of 1,000 moons back at him. I was like, I spin around the house like gig.
Jeez.
Yeah, man, you have to read the prescription, them good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So guys, remember to rest.
Yeah.
Take care of your body. Take care of your mind.
We're going to do
Oh.
that after this.
Yeah, 100%.
Take care of your body. Take care of your
Yeah.
mind.
Also, say no. You can say no to tasks. Say no to events. Tell people no. You know you're there on the brink. Don't say yes.
Exactly.
Say no.
If you have work early morning,
Yeah. Say no.
just
Say
tell
no.
them, say,
No, I can't
no,
make it.
Can't make it.
Tell a girl say, yo, a bedtime.
Yes, it
Yes,
is bedtime.
I tell the boy, say,
It's
come off from my
bedtime.
phone. Me forgot my bed.
You
Right,
need to
babe.
get your 8 hours as well.
Yeah. 8
Yeah,
to
man.
10, them say.
8
Well,
to 10?
7 to 10.
Oh.
Oh,
7
come
to
and say
10.
8 to 10. I need
And
to
s-
up mine.
And some people just have scrape on
When
5.
I would watch like I was watching like Baki and Dragon Ball Z, they would sleep like for 10 hours. Like 8 to 10 hours nightly. 'Cause I think Master Roshi had this thing where he said work hard, study well, eat and sleep plenty. And that is a third
Drink
to
olive
hermit way.
water.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
that's a third
Drink
to
your
hermit
water,
way, yeah.
eat up your food.
Your interples and your industrial.
Exactly. Take up your vitamins.
Industrial.
Watch over
You need to stop listening to
yourself.
No, that's not Derek.
So who's that?
That is how
It's just a
old
exactly it's that
meme.
old
You
meme.
know,
The Jamaican youths.
You know, you have industrial.
Alright guys. Thank you guys for watching another episode of this great space. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Get the videos out there. Jesus Christ, the way, the truth, and the life. Get to know him today. And if you don't know him,
You're
You're
moving
moving
mad.
mad.
you're
Get
moving
some
mad,
rest.
bruv.
Go sleep.
Yes.
Fuck
I
off
tell
your
you, go your
phone.
bed.
Put on your phone and go your bed.
Yep.
Yes. Thank you guys all for watching this
Great
great space. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.